the part 2 of our interview, but today we will ask about the CPR. So the first question, what is the CPR and when it is performed?
So, what is CPR? CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So, CPR is done when someone stops breathing or their heart stops beating.
Okay, for the second question, what does DRSABC stand for and why is each step important?
D, R, S, A, B, C are important. First, D for danger. So danger, so you're gonna check first or safety ang person. Sa R is for response. So check if person is ga response pa sa iyang heartbeat or something. So sa S is stands for send for help. And then for A is for airway. So we're gonna open it sa atong space para makabreathe ang person nga kanang nakuyapan. So sa B is for breathing. I-check nimo if ga breathe pa ba siya. And then for the C is CPR. So that's it.
Okay. So again, the DRSABC are stand for danger, respond, send for help, airway, breathing, and CPR. Okay, for the third question, how can performing CPR save person's life?
Performing CPR saves life because it keeps blood and oxygen flowing until help arrives.
Okay, for the second to the last question, why is checking the safety to the scene important before performing CPR?
Checking safety is to make sure you and the person are not in danger.
Okay, for the last question, as an NSTP student, why is learning CPR valuable to you and your community?
As an NSTP student, learning CPR helps us save lives, serve our community in emergencies.
Okay, and that's all for our vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!